How to create plant-based meal plans for your health and fitness goals. Are you ready to transform your health and fitness with plant-based nutrition? Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or boost your energy, crafting the right meal plan is the key. Let's dive into how you can design effective, personalized plans to meet your goals. Plant-based eating is packed with benefits, from improving overall health to supporting sustainable living. But did you know it's also a powerful tool for achieving fitness goals like weight control and muscle gain? With the right knowledge, plant-based meals can fuel your body effectively. Unlike common misconceptions, plant-based diets can meet all your nutritional needs. When designed correctly, they provide the macronutrients and micronutrients essential for optimizing your health and fitness. Let's learn how to build meal plans that work for you. Start by asking, what do I want to achieve? Whether it's weight management, gaining muscle, or boosting energy, clarity matters. Your goals determine how you balance macronutrients like carbohydrates, protein, and fats in your plant-based diet. For example, weight loss plans might prioritize high-fiber, low-calorie foods. Meanwhile, muscle-building goals require protein-packed plant foods like tofu, lentils, and chickpeas. Energy-focused plans emphasize steady carb intake from whole grains and vegetables. Macronutrients, carbs, protein, and fats are the building blocks of your meal plan. Adjust their ratios to align with your goals. Use the 10th of October, 80 rule as a flexible guide, tweaking percentages based on needs. For weight loss, increase fiber-rich carbs like quinoa, oats, and leafy greens. For muscle gain, prioritize protein sources like seitan, hemp seeds, and tempeh. Healthy fats like avocado and nuts supply long-lasting energy and aid absorption of vitamins. When you eat is just as important as what you eat. Plan meals and snacks to support your body's needs throughout the day. This can enhance energy stability, aid workout recovery, and prevent overeating. For weight management, eat lighter meals in the evening to avoid calorie surplus. Muscle builders may benefit from pre- and post-workout snacks containing protein and carbs. Having meals at consistent times fosters balance and routine, boosting overall results. Focus on whole, minimally processed plant foods to maximize your diet's benefits. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while keeping calorie counts in check. Build your meals around vegetables, fruits, grains, legumes, and nuts. For example, a power-packed breakfast could feature oats, almond butter, and berries. Lunch might include a hearty grain bowl with roasted veggies and tahini. Incorporate dark leafy greens daily. They are rich in nutrients and versatile. Monitoring your progress is crucial. Stay consistent with your plan, but remain flexible to adapt as your needs change. Reflect on how your body responds to your meal plan and adjust portions, recipes, or timing to optimize results. If energy dips, explore adding balanced snacks like hummus and whole grain crackers. For muscle tone showing slower progress, consider increasing protein portions post-workout. Tailoring your plan ensures long-term success. Personalized plant-based meal planning is your path to not only meeting fitness goals, but thriving in your everyday life. By balancing macros, timing meals effectively, and choosing nutrient-rich foods, you'll unlock your full potential. Ready to revolutionize your health? Start building your plant-based meal plan today.